Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Apex Legends error code unable to connect to EA servers, and let's get straight into it. So if you have it downloaded through Steam, go over to Steam, right click on Steam, click on Properties, and then from here you want to go over to the Compatibility tab. From here you want to check two boxes. The first box you want to check is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then the second box you want to check is run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, hit apply and then hit OK, and then you can X out. And then once you do that, go ahead and open up Steam again, try running Apex Legends, make sure the error code has been fixed. And then the next method you guys can try doing is restarting Steam, and you can do that by open up Steam, go over to the top left, click on Steam, and then hit exit. This is like a shutdown, like it shuts down Steam and restarts Steam basically, and this is a good way to like restart the game as well, or restart the application, and open back up and check to see if that fixes the error code. Third method I recommend doing is go over to library, click on right click on Apex Legends, click on properties, and then from here you want to click on installed files, and then you want to click on verify this game's files are installed correctly. Hit verify integrity, and once it is done, you should be good to go. And I also do recommend just restarting your PC because that always does seem to help as well. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.